I hate the mornings, there's no birthday bring. You get up and take a shower in no time, you're leaving. It sounds so selfish, but I can't help but think. If you knew how much I needed you, you'd stay. I hate goodbyes. I hate this tears in my eyes. I hate myself for the way I feel about you every time. I've had enough. I'm sick of wishing you were around me every day, every night. It's way too much. I hate love. Oh, I hate love. I hate your phone call in the middle of the day. 'Cause every day you just remind me that my baby's so far away. It drives me crazy, but I need you with me. I know it's hard for you to understand when I say I hate goodbye. I hate this tears in my eyes. I hate myself for the way I feel about you every time I had enough. I